name?
Good evening to special name. Ganga Sagar, River Damodar, Blue Mountain, Nilgiri, Pune BNC, Kochi, Sugar Boat, Gift of Chennai, Gift of Chennai, Heat, ICT, Belgrade, Dad of China, River Havango, Pink City, Jaipur. Thank you, friends.
Important in our life, especially for some people, specific days are important. Here our school students, Nisha and Dinisha are comes to tell about important days.
Good evening to important days. January 26, Republic Day. August 15, Independence Day. September 5, Teachers Day. November 14, Children's Day. December 25, Christmas. Thank you, friends. Hi, Vivi. How are you? I'm fine. What about you? Me too, fine. Shall we drink coffee? Yes, let's go. Excuse me, I want to coffee. So sit. Hey, no, don't throw here. Keep it dustbin. Okay. Hey, stop. What? Don't turn like this. Hey, dustbin is there. Please throw that. No, I can't mind deliver. See the other countries. They keep their places clean because they follow the rules. Of course, she's right. We should keep clean our place. It's our duty. Can you understand? We will follow the rules. I did mistake. I will follow the rules. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Thank you, friends.
Baby for a world. Here our UKG students Amrish and Rajesh come to tell about inventions and inventors.
Sing to all. Invention and inventors. Good evening to all. Invention and inventors. Aeroplane, flight feathers, car, garden, clock, icing and angling, electric lamp, Thomas Alva Edison, microscope, Richard Johnson, Alexander telephone, Alexander Graham Bell, television, John Lucky Bird, computer, Charles Babbage, X-ray, Ranjan, laser, T.H. Maima. Thank you, friends.
One is the style of English, but abbreviation is the expression for the short form. Now our student comes boldly to tell about some abbreviation. UKG student Deepan Raj.